Many men believe that if a woman enjoys spending time with them, laughs at their jokes, and seems happy in their company for several weeks, love should naturally follow. When it doesn't, they often see it as rejection. In reality, it may simply reflect the way women tend to develop romantic feelings. One of the biggest misunderstandings about relationships is that men and women often experience attraction and love differently. For many men, attraction can arise quickly. A spark appears, emotions follow, and the desire for a deeper connection can begin almost immediately. For women, however, attraction and love are often separate experiences. A woman may be attracted to someone without developing deeper feelings, or she may initially feel little romantic interest and later find herself falling deeply in love. Neither situation is unusual. They simply reflect a different emotional process. What many people fail to understand is that a woman's feelings often grow outside the moments she spends with someone. Love is frequently built during the quiet periods in between. While going about her daily life, she may unexpectedly remember a conversation, replay a meaningful interaction, or look forward to seeing him again. These private reflections allow emotional attachment to deepen over time. This helps explain why extremes can be harmful. If someone disappears too quickly, there is little opportunity for positive memories to remain active. On the other hand, being constantly available can leave no room for expectation, reflection, or emotional growth. Both situations can interrupt the natural development of feelings. There is also another element at work behind the surface. Before allowing herself to become emotionally invested, a woman often unconsciously evaluates whether a person feels trustworthy and genuine. She pays attention to whether his actions match his words and whether his outward behavior aligns with the feelings she experiences when she is around him. When there is a mismatch, emotional progress often stalls, not because of a deliberate choice, but because something feels off in a way that is difficult to explain. The connection never fully opens. When there is consistency, however, and she feels emotionally secure enough to lower her guard, deeper feelings can gradually emerge. Love rarely develops because of one perfect gesture or a single memorable conversation. More often, it grows through a series of small, reliable experiences that build trust over time. For many women, falling in love is a gradual process. It develops quietly, through reflection, trust, and repeated positive experiences, often becoming apparent only after others assume nothing is happening at all.